Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I received these magnetic displays frame for reviewing purposes. They are actually very nice. See, I'm in my kitchen and sometimes you need recipes, something like that. So these kinds of magnetic displays, just put the recipe sheet and you can stick it in the fridge and stuff like that. And it's very convenient. Really, these magnetic frames are made for some easier placement for posters, and it has a PVC film that obviously is transparent because how could you see the poster or the sheet in this case? And it's very strong and very flexible. I mean, you can use it however you like it, like in portrait, like this, or landscape. They're very easy to use. Just separate, as you can see, the magnets on the inside. You can take the sheet and replace it. Right now I want to make some pasta, but I don't want to have the recipe in my hands. So what I'm going to do is use one of these displays and put on the recipe on the display so I can stick it in the fridge and just go and look what's missing, what I'm going to do next. Okay, so let's go to the fridge. Okay, here I am at my fridge. Subset, I put the recipe here. As you can see, it's for some alla vodka pasta. Like them a lot. I like very much pasta, so I'll just put it right here, and it says magnetically. Obviously, I could set I don't know one image and put it on landscape, and here it goes. But I didn't get an image. I get a recipe, so I'll just leave it right there. And if I have a doubt of the recipe, something like that, I can just check it up the fridge. So yeah, it was they are excellent quality. I'm working with that. They are very nice.